Welcome back. Did you miss me? If you are what you eat, I would be high as hell right now. Just a little fun look of making myself into a mushroom solely because I had Toad's mushroom head on hand. This is from several Halloweens ago. I never even used it, so I thought I would use it this year because why not? I started with making my brows red, and with that same red water activated paint and a wet beauty sponge, I dab 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 dab. I was basically a regular Gen Z. I began with adding more and more layers to the top of my head to make it more opaque and give it an ombre look, with darker on top, a lot lighter to no color on the bottom. I took some strides towards becoming Rudolph. Mascara check! Added some mood to my eyes with liquid liner, and for the white dots, which, fun fact, don't actually have a name besides white dots, I'm using a white concealer on many different brushes, and putting those all over my face on top of the red areas in a very organic type fashion. No rhyme, no reason. When I got to my brows area, I placed half circles down instead of full dots. And then went full Rudolph by adding a pink highlight to the tip of my nose. Even though I'm a little early for Christmas this year, for my lips I'm using the same water activated paint, and again dabbing some slightly around my lips, and then taking a red liquid lipstick and adding that straight onto my lips. And using an angled eyeliner brush with some excess product on it to overline my lips both lengthwise and widthwise to make almost like a clown looking effect. I followed the same steps as I did with my face on my shoulders and then my clumsy ass. And again. I was keeping to the colors of white and red, so I opted for a white wig that just so happened to have some fake blood on it as well. You probably can't even see that, so pretend I said nothing. As for the hat, and we out. See you in my next video, guys.